It's 9 o'clock on a Friday, and tomorrow I'm going to my first car show. I have to be there like between 4 and 5 a.m. and it's 2 hours away. We have to wake up at 1 o'clock in the morning and get ready and go. I'm gonna do my hair tonight. I think I'm gonna curl it and pin it and then put like a scarf over it. So yeah, get ready with me tonight for an event tomorrow. This should be interesting. I need to curl my hair backwards from how I normally do it. I wear bobby pins. How do I do this? Okay, hopefully this stays. Okay, good night. It's 1 a.m. Good morning. Let's finish getting ready. Alright. Let's go.
I'll need all our tanks.
Continue on Fairplex Drive for 1 mile.
It's not great. So it's 4 a.m. Where's my light? We got here like half an hour ago and I took my hair out of the little curlers and I can't see anything, so I don't know if it looks okay. I think this side looks okay. This side, like what happened here? He's been running around, so I'm just hanging out. I think we're gonna go to the thing like soon. It's gonna be a fun day. Can you hear him?